Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Ripple could truly be the standard, as well as a surprise bonus content at the end. If you want to stay up to date with my crypto videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Now, at the Interledger Summit of 2019, Stronghold Inc. announced that they will implement the first Interledger Protocol. And if you're unfamiliar with Stronghold Inc., they are a financial platform dealing with cross-border payments. Now, if you're also unfamiliar with the the Interledger Protocol enables fast, efficient, interoperable exchange between crypto and fiat. So basically, Ethereum to BTC to XRP to fiat in matters of seconds. And like I have always said, mass adoption will benefit the whole ecosystem. And this could truly boost mass adoption for the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem. And I think it's definitely going to be something pretty amazing as time goes on. Now, what do you guys think though? Do you guys think that this is going to be some like a breakthrough point for Ripple and basically just for the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem, or is it just going to be like news that have been going around lately, which they are great news but don't really have much of an impact yet, at least? Now, as the extra surprise bonus content, I wanted to let you guys know that you will be able to use XRP to pay for your phone bill at carriers such as AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, and so on. Now, I'll be leaving the articles in the description so you can actually check those out if you're interested in learning more or reading more about it. I just basically covered like the main points. But guys, nonetheless, this is pretty amazing, and I do feel like all of this is definitely helping boost that mass adoption for the whole ecosystem. And I feel like at the end of the day, Ripple, Binance, Pundi X, the teams, they know that most things will benefit each other. If Pundi X is doing well, if XRP is doing well at getting more partnerships, Pundi X is pushing out more XPOS devices, Binance is traveling more around the world and helping people understand the cryptocurrency ecosystem better, then it all kind of links together and it all will connect at the end and benefit us all. So that's just something to keep in mind. But guys, that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.